Today I'm going to be making something quick and easy and something I've been having a taste for the longest time. I'm making some seasoned rice. Yes, seasoned rice with ackee and saltfish. I've been feeling for it for so long. So stay tuned guys and watch the thing come together. So here I have a piece of salted codfish, what we Jamaicans call saltfish, which is cured by being salted. So I'm soaking it in water to get rid of the excess salt. And here I have some ackee. The ackee in this package is not like the whole pod pieces. It kind of break up a little bit. This ackee coming from far, but it's all right. Those little pieces that it's broken up in is perfect for making seasoned rice. We kind of like it like that. So stay tuned and watch the seasoned rice come together. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. So after soaking the salted codfish, I'm going to give it a little boil, maybe for like a 10-15 minutes, just to get rid of any of the excess salt. I don't want it too salty, you want just the right amount of salt. And here I have some fresh vegetables, red onion, bell pepper, scallion, all that good stuff. And some hot pepper, of course, which I'm going to cut into smaller pieces and get sauteed and get everything set up for this delicious seasoned rice. So the saltfish is ready. Um, got off enough salt as needed. And now I'm just scraping the skin off. And then I'm going to debone it and get it flaked up to be sauteed with the seasoning and get it all set up for the seasoned rice. while the veggies are sauteing with the saltfish, I'm gonna use a little bit of coconut powder and mix that up with some warm water and pour that right in to flavor up the pot. Like us Jamaicans say, when me mix up the pot, it's like my mouth did a water. No lies, like me could have just taste it. It's been a while, It's been years since I had this dish and I wanted it so bad. So here I'm gonna add some butter, margarine to be exact. And I'm gonna just leave it and let it come to a boil so I could add my other ingredients. So in goes the rice. So the rice are bubbling now. The coconut milk and all them seasoning and the rice just absorb everything. This is going to be so good. If you could only smell this thing, man. Oh my God, you could smell the salted codfish with all that seasoning and the coconut powder / coconut milk. Smells so nice. So all that coconut liquid, coconut milk has absorbed and the rice steaming through nicely. Look how nice and fluffy, man. Look at that, people. Just look at that. Oh my goodness. So at this point, I'm going to add the ackee. You saw the ackee, like, in smaller pieces. We like it like that, especially for this. Because usually when I'm cooking ackee, I never usually leave it like whole pods. The pods, for those who are familiar with ackee, anybody Jamaican, I usually kind of break the pods up a little bit. So this is perfect for me. For all those who don't know ackee, I'm sure it looks like scrambled eggs. But trust me, it's not scrambled eggs. It's ackee. So I'm going to sprinkle some ground black pepper on top of that. Because if you know, you know. Ackee cannot be completed without some ground black pepper. And see it now, finish it, simple as that. Seasoned rice, ackee and saltfish, seasoned rice. I'm going to leave the burner on the lowest point, which is melt, and let everything just simmer. Simple, quick, easy. Just a small pot for myself. That's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And please remember, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up now, like and subscribe.